Hey everyone, so this is Dipshika Kumawat and I got a new phone. It is Google Pixel 10 and it is gifted by my sister Dipti. Thank you so much, Dipti. Thank you so much for giving me. Uh, yes, my younger sister, she gave me. Proud, proud elder sister, me. Okay, so I'm glad, I'm thankful, I'm happy. Yes, I'm happy. Uh, so yes, I decided to record video journal. Yes, not in the short forms. I'm so sorry, in the long form. And should I record in Hindi or in English? Actually, if I record in Hindi, then there's one good thing that even my parents can also watch and they can also enjoy. But if I speak in English, I think it will help me to improve my speaking English. That's another benefit. So, what should I do? Maybe I should do in both, sometimes in English or sometimes in Hindi. Let's see how it goes. So, the question is why I'm not making the short videos, short vlogging pattern like the 100 days vlogging. Uh, so, I think I am not going to consume short videos for maybe few weeks till I get a job. I mean, I'm looking for government job. I'm preparing for a banking exams for PO and clerk positions, or maybe some insurance. So it's like for BFSI professional, banking, financial sector, and insurance sector. Yes, banking, financial services, and insurance sector. BFSI professional. I'm preparing for that, and the reason why I'm doing video journal is to keep myself more, more aligned to my ideal version. It's like, when someone is watching you, sometimes you behave yourself, it's like that only. God is watching you. If you have this thing, then you do, morally correct things. And it's like analogy I'm giving you. And also I read something that Robin Sharma has written, that if your life is worth thinking about, it is worth writing about. Yes, so it's like similar kind of thing. And uh, and I know it will push me to do more good things, um, the more right things that I want to do. So because I will be accountable for my actions here more. And yes, I hope I will inspire you. The main thing is I want to do, you know, I want to do, uh, I want to do, good things. I want to improve. So I'm doing it so that I can also um, have this accountability thing in my mind. And yes, let's record it, let's enjoy it. So it's almost, about 2 8 a.m. I woke up around 1 hour before. I woke up around 6:45 something, and now it's 7:45 a.m. in the morning. And what I've done, I woke up and I realized I make my bed. There was some stuff, and so I cleared that, put it that behind bed, so that at least this thing is clear. And table, I like kind of arrange this a little bit. So I'm putting it downside, and I put my books here as a book shelf kind of thing. So that's my plan. And what I'm doing is right now is having my warm water. After that, I will freshen up and will get bath quick. I have to do it very quick. Oh, it's around 8, and I'm deciding till 9 I have to come to this chair table for my studies, and I'm very excited for today. Yes, I'm excited. Yes. Am I excited? Yes, I am excited. Okay, fine. So I'm having my warm water, and then I will bath, and I will do my little prayer thing, and I will do breakfast. Yes. Then from 9 a.m. I will do my studies. Let's see you soon. गर्मी बहुत है तो मुझे याद आया कि I should start soaking the fennel. Garmi, this is so good for the summers, and this was with me, but I was not doing it, so that's why I'm recording it too, that yes, this is important for me. I think half spoon will be 1.5 spoon will be enough, and yes, I will drink it in maybe afternoon with mystery, and from today I will soak it at night only, so I will drink in early morning overnight soaked. That's it. So it is fennel, that is also called soft, and it is directly from our farm actually. So yes, it smells so good and it is so good for our health. Yes, update is I decided for 9 a.m. to come back to my chair and table. Yes, but it's 10:30 a.m. But still, I'm glad I decided I a time limit, and because of that, at least I came to 10:30 a.m. and I was able to do all my bath, and I did my hair wash, then prayer, then breakfast. Uh, Also washed few clothes. Yes, so all daily routine things, and that's all. So now I'm all set for studies. I'm feeling so refreshed, so fresh. When I woke up, I was not that energetic today, but as soon as I started this vlog thing, I I caught my energy, and yes, I'm so glad. I'm so glad. Thank you. Let's continue today's. Let's continue. सो ये एक थोड़ा सा एरिया दे रखा है हमको किचन का, जो कि अभी मेरे को अरेंज करना है आज, और ये थोड़ा ये सब है, तो आई विल अरेंज इट टुडे बिफोर स्लीप. Actually, it took more time than I imagined. I literally watched it because there was little insects, and yes, it created mess also because water flowed out from here till the stairs down. So yes, now it's done. Kitchen area is clean. I will arrange it tomorrow maybe, but I think it is now very neat and clean. Yes, and so that's it about today. It's already 9:40 p.m. So what I will do now is we'll have a bath because I cleaned it and I'm feeling very uh, you know I need to take shower. And about my studies, it was, I mean, I really enjoyed the journaling, video journal, because it helped me to gain that a liveliness. So yesterday I slept very late. I was with my PG mates, and then I was scrolling on phone and all. I know it's not a good thing at all, but yeah, it was. And but now I know I will sleep today by 10 p.m. and from tomorrow I will wake up at 5 a.m. and I know I will going to do it. Yes, I'm feeling happy that I cleaned it. I know it took really how much time? I think 40-50 minutes around. I don't know how it took that much time. 40 minutes, I think, half an hour almost. Yes, and so Well done. It's okay. I think it is better than doing gossiping or something else. I don't know. Uh, so it was day one. Thank you for watching my video. And I know it is just a beginning, it's just a starting point, and we will step, up day by day, little progress every day. And um, I hope I will inspire you to do more good work. And yes, be consistent, stay productive, stay happy, मुस्कुराते रहिए, हंसते रहिए. Bye bye, good night.